Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on the duplicated layer, so edits are reversible. First, make an initial selection with Select Subject or the Quick Selection tool. This gives focus area a solid base. Once selected, open Select Focus Area or the Neural Filters workspace for depth-based options. You'll want a subtle radius and feather, these smooth transitions, and prevent halos. Make sure to toggle preview so you see changes in real time, and keep an eye on fine edges like hair and reflections. Now refine the mask. This is where the focus effect becomes believable. Use Select and Mask to sweep over hair, glass, or thin objects. Increase smooth and shift edge slightly to remove fringing. Once done, apply a slight feather and adjust contrast to tighten details. This preserves subject crispness while softening background. If Select and Mask misses spots, paint directly on the layer mask with a soft brush. Lower opacity for subtle blending. Full opacity for hard corrections. Keep checking the composite at 100%. Finish by converting the background into a smart object. This lets you tweak blur settings later. Apply lens blur or Gaussian blur to the background layer. Increase radius until the subject reads as in focus against a softer plane. Once done, use a curves or levels adjustment to restore midtone separation. This helps the subject pop. If you notice halos or hard edges, go back to the mask, reduce edge contrast, and refine the selection with a small negative shift edge. That usually removes halation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.